there are some considerations with buying any kind of commercial truck for a DIY RV project, and this is going to vary between states, but registration is one. The states will have different rules around that, so I would recommend you check with your state or the state you're planning on registering it in if you're going to have any trouble with that because it's a commercial vehicle. This is the bigger one, though, may be insurance. Of course, you have to have insurance to register your vehicle. So, what we ran into with insurance, I figured we might have to get commercial insurance on the truck, but I didn't know for sure. So we do all our insurance, and like I do most everything else online. So we were using Geico. I went to Geico, added the truck the day after we bought it, and put it in. And they asked me to confirm the VIN number, and I said, "Yep, that's it." And they gave us a policy, no problem, and then took my money. About a month later, we get a letter in the mail. Literally a letter in the mail. I do everything online, but they send a letter. We don't insure this type of vehicle. So what they really should have said was that the personal auto policy division does not insure that type of vehicle, but their commercial vehicle division does. And like if you use RV insurance with Geico, it's a different division as well. So we checked around a few companies. We were able to get commercial insurance, but the thing with commercial insurance, you have to have a business, and I have a couple, so it was not a problem. And interestingly, it worked out to where it was the same price as we were within a few dollars of the same price we were paying for it as an auto policy, and it was just about exactly the same price as our one-ton cargo van that we used to use as a camper van. So it wasn't any more expensive. We did have to have a business to be able to get the commercial insurance policy. And I have heard of people getting jammed up on that. So just throwing that out there is something to think about if you're watching this video because you're thinking about that.